Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll discuss about in detail about the scope under the solution. Okay, so if I click this show all, you see this is scope, right? So in the scope we have different. It's kind of variant basically. So whenever you run any report, right? So with the initial parameters like I want to. So for example, if you take that VA05 NT code where we can see the list of open sales orders, right? There we can by default mention some values like sold to customer, sales area, date, range, right? And we can save that as a variant. So the very next time if you run that report, you can simply select from that variant so that the data will populate automatically due to the saving of that variant. Similar way, the scope also works in such a way that we can save the data whatever we want to display here. So for example, you see currently show all has been selected here. What I will do now, I will go to the new option. Now I will try to add, I will select some structure here. So for example, I want to display libraries data and I will select only two, alerting library and analytics library. I click OK and you see here, we see two folders only here under the libraries group. Okay, so I can click save here. One second. Okay, I will save now. I'll give the name as testing. Okay, fine. So either we can make it as a visibility to everyone or we can make it as a private means it will be visible to our credentials only. I will make it as a public and click OK. So remember you have selected only two folders. It seems to be something wrong here even though we select two folders we are getting all the folders here. Okay, let me edit this one again. So this time I will add one more folder from business processes directory also. I click OK and you can see we have click save it and you see, so when we add that particular data what we are going to show here means it's working perfectly. So scenario only coming here because the libraries it's behaving differently, so it's not working as per our filter criteria. Anyways, that I will find out the reason why it's not working for libraries, but this is the reason for the scope. We can filter the data or we want to decide which data that can be displayed in the screen. That is the use of scope. So we can create a new scope, we can create a copy of the existing scope and create a new one, edit that one and delete and show all. Show all means it will show everything. It's a default one, show all means. And we have different other scopes are available here. And if you click more means I get one more options like the filtering the data based on that which scope related to what visibility, who created that one, right? We can see more number of data with the owner of the information as well as the visibility as well. This is simply about the scope. And in that you see one more option here, history. So here in the history we can access our recent elements of the solution documentation that we have opened. It's kind of browser history. In browser, whatever we'll do, we'll open Gmail, YouTube, Facebook. So whatever we have done the activity in the browser means those things will be captured, right? In the history level. Same thing applies to the solution documentation history as well. It will capture everything whatever we do. And one more option here is that we can add our favorite as well. We can create in favorites add it here. So for example, I'm in the business processor scenario and J5 name test import. If I go to this favorites, if I click on libraries means it will simply go to libraries directly. No need to come back. It will simply open that one. So that's the use of this scope, history, and library. I mean the favorites. Okay. Hope this video will be very helpful to you guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.